This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can show or hide histogram on this drone. So, after you have successfully enabled or made your way to the flight interface or Go Fly section of the DJI Fly app, launch settings by tapping at those three horizontal dots, select the camera category on top, scroll down and look for the histogram. Now by enabling this toggle, you'll add the histogram to your camera view, or if you would like to close it, hide it, you can either tap at the cross icon it has, or get back to the settings, camera, and switch this toggle off. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.